Hello and welcome to another quick tutorial from Premier Epos. Today I'm going to show you how to log your staff's fingerprint to the login system. And there's two ways of doing it. You can actually do it via the actual settings section, or if the staff member doesn't have access to that settings section, you can actually do it from the main menu. So what we'll do is we'll click on the purple arrow twice, click on user properties, and then the staff member can actually change the password, fingerprint or avatar from this section. So we'll click on set fingerprint. And we'll click on finger 1, and then what we'll do is we'll assign a few samples. So that's 1, 2, 3 and 4, and there you have it. Save and close. It will then refresh down there. So what I'll do, I'll log myself out now and test that, make sure that works fine. There you go, I've logged in. So now I've logged in, I can show you the way through the actual settings section. So if you're a manager and you're doing a few of them, this was one way of doing it. So we can go to settings administration and software settings, and then from here we can go to the users section, and then we can select the particular staff member in question. So I'll just do myself again and go to set fingerprints. Let's go for second fingerprint, and then I'll do another one which is 1, 2, 3 and 4, and there you have it. Save and close. And there you go, that's now refreshed. So we'll click on a save settings down there. We'll log ourselves out again, and I'll log myself back in with my fingerprint. And there you have it, logged in. Simple as that. So there you have it. Do hope this has been useful. Thank you much for watching. Take care, and I'll check you out next time. See you now.